Hey, what's up, y'all? Happy Friday to you. Last day of the week for the market, man. Let's go in and get through it. It's a decent day today. The market was up. It didn't seem like they had a sell off, but let's go get our dividend stocks, man. Gonna cash up. I'm gonna get $3, $5 of everything, and keep it moving. Get a couple shares of some stuff I need to average down and do a swing trade for later. But let's see. Just stick with me. I'll tell you why. All right, let's go. Y'all subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, watch my recent videos, share my channel. Also, I was looking at a video at Robert Kiyosaki the other day. I think y'all know who he is, the owner or the author of Rich Dad, Poor Dad. You know, he not big on stocks. He don't trade stocks. He don't like the stock market, but he was saying it's a crash coming. Said he stopped buying gold because gold is high. Need to be selling gold. It's at an all-time high, which I agree with him on that. He was like, he put his money into Bitcoin and silver. He think Bitcoin gonna go to 200,000 a coin, so he accumulating that, and he buying silver at $35. You know, a ounce, a troy ounce, or $35 a coin. That's what probably like the price of silver is now. He said he thinks silver gonna go to $100. He said demand on silver is high. I do own silver, but I'm gonna give y'all another option of doing this. It's called SLVO. This is an exchange traded note with Credit Suisse, and they do options on silver. See, they do covered calls on it, and you get paid just for holding shares at $79.69. I'm at $70, so I'm actually up 12.88%. I'm up $329. But I just want to show y'all my dividend payouts of why I have and own this stock. This exchange traded note. This all my payments I've been getting for the last couple months. So if y'all want to invest in silver, I would do this one. Or I go with SLV, which is a silver stock. They invest in silver too. It's $32.74. 52-week low $24.25 with a high $33.86. You know, silver kind of up now. But it's another one for you to invest in silver without physically owning it, having to hold it. I like the SLVO, just getting paid for holding shares better, but you pick your poison. But since we at SLVO, let's look at the 52-week low and high. Low is 72.60 with a high 86.36. So being that I do own silver, I got about 50 shares. Not shares, I mean ounces. I got a couple of 10-ounce billion balls, and some 5 ounces, and I got some regular coins. I don't have a lot. I brought mine around about $17 an ounce, way back in the early thousands. So I'm physically up in it, but let's go get some SLVO anyway. All right, let's start my trading list. We're gonna go with OXLC. 9 cents a share a month. Put your buy order in at $4.09. Can trade this in Robinhood, as y'all should know for people that follow me. We're gonna go with Fiat. Want to get my 100 shares of this. This is volatile. This is the inverse of Coinbase. Got down to $4.09 today. I did buy a share. Now it's at $4.16. Get $2 worth of that. Don't load up on it because it's volatile. We can go SVOL. 27 to 30 cents a share a month dividend. 16.68, 16.74. 52-week low is 13.18, a high 22.84. So anytime this below my mark, I'm gonna get some. I already got $3 worth earlier today. We're gonna go with PETS, PETS. Y'all stay out of this one. It's going down my list. It's gonna be a swing trade for me to trade myself up out of here. 332. Get 2 shares of that. GPMT, Granite Point Mortgage. It's gonna be a swing trade. 52-week low is 161 with a high of 366. I'm at 293, so I'm trying to bring this thing on down. It's another one y'all can stay out of. Better places to put your money than taking that risk. All right, PSCC down to 315 today. Get 5 shares of this. Why am I buying so much? Because I want to lower my average cost at these prices. Just gonna be another swing trade. It was paying 6 cents a share a month, and I pay 4.5 cents a share a month. Ticker TWO. Two Harbors is a REIT. Another one I need to come down in. This is a nice one to have though. I'm just skeptical right now about REITs and BDCs. I'm doing mostly like the ETFs. Yeah, the yield is tempting, but the thing is it sustainable? So I got 15. My average cost 1570. 52 we have 1428 with a low of 1016. So that's on that. XYLD. I know these are the ones I like this at 49. Let's pay 38.40 cents a share a month. Get $3 worth. But now Robert Kiyosaki was saying a crash and a recession is coming. And also for the housing market too. Like it's gonna be bad for the older heads, but good for the younger heads that's want to get into the game. So that's why I'm gonna kind of chill on out, and all them $5 I'm gonna push it to $3, so just for me to cash up some, just in case I can stretch my money out. Horizon Technology 11 cents a share a month, banger. One I do love at these prices. Ticker MED. Medifast down for the day. It's a weight loss stock. It's bringing down my average cost. Slowly, not really watching it. That's a long-term play. Y'all stay out of that one. KLIP Clip. Pay 62 to 68 cents a share a month. 31.89. I'm at 40.40. $3 there. Bring that down. GOOY. Options on Google. It's also down today. 11.74. I'm at 12.95. I just dollar cost average on in. APLY. Another one getting beat up. Y'all know Apple is coming on down. I think they lowering the price target on Apple, but get paid just for holding shares with this one. I'm going with OXSQ. $2.19. That's where it's at for the day. 3.5 cents a share a month. Another one you want to take advantage of, SCHD, especially on those down days, 26.66. Got this on recurring investments. I already got $1. I get another $1 with it. Western Union. Took a WU. This one here, man, I didn't expect this to go down. Not this far. We're gonna see how they're gonna keep up the dividend though. $5 of that, especially at these prices. Need to get that average cost down. ABR, Arbor Realty Trust. This is a REIT I do like and will keep. Lowest dividend from what it was, 43 or 40 cents a quarter to 34 cents. They said they don't have no problem hiking it back up later on down the road when things get better as far as in the REIT sector. Golden Oceans Group, Marine Dry Bulk Shipping Company. I like this below the $8 mark. It's actually higher than my average cost, but I'm accumulating. This is definitely going to be a swing trade for later. Average cost $7.17. Got to love it at these prices. PFLT, 10 cents a share a month. Pending it float. This going to go back above the $11 mark. We're going to go with RYLD. Yeah, with this 14.5 cents a share a month. Still below the $16 range. Hoping this go a little lower, but I think it is what it is. QYLD. All right, that's everything on my list. Just going to check our traps. I think when the bank stocks do go up, I'm going to get out of those. Like I said, I'm looking at some cash flow. They dividend. Most banks are dividend growth stocks. Let's see, Newtek 1, NEWT. Like I said, I'm definitely going to stick with XYLD, QYLD, RYLD. I love those. And some of the yield maxes. I'm going for cash flow now. Forgot we didn't do KHC. This is on my list also, 25.82. Got to get that at these prices here. And Ready Capital, we got to do. I'm going to stop at that. Ticker RC. Another one, man, I've been getting. Ticker OPI, the office REIT. This one got up to like $29, 29 cents today. So this one's starting to take off. I got an average cost of 45 cents a share. So I'm going to see what this is going to do. If I go back around that 1920, I'm going to buy in. Ready Capital. It's at $7.12. Got the Dow. I know I ain't got this on here. DOW. But got to get this at these prices. Get $8 of this. Wasn't gonna get 10. Just do it. I need to lower my average cost on this one while it's low. SLRC payout monthly. Got pets, charge point. Want that to come down some more. All right, LDX. Let's look at Nike. That's it. Yep, got to get Nike at these prices. Another one I'm gonna make my exit out of. Getting out the apparel and the shoe industry. Nike, not, like I said, you hear me say it, not the same stock. And it also got too much competition now. That Brandywine. It's at 434. So $2 added. Y'all can stay out of that one too. It is one to get, but I go with ARR or AGNC before that. RPT. It's Rhythm Property. 228 is a low. 261. I like to catch this below that 250 mark. Let's see what it's gonna do. BGS Food. Let's see how this one looking. Just curious. It's got to buy at these prices to lower that average cost, especially if you're gonna make your exit. So got to buy. That's when y'all stay out of. Food industry is volatile. It's a nice price to get in at though. I can't lie if you want to own some of that, but I'm making my way out of it. Got SLVO, Two Harbors, New York Mortgage. That should be around $6. I'm at 871. See if that's gonna come back down some more. Really tripping, especially if a crash come. All that's gonna start coming down, and I'm gonna scoop it up. HTGC, Hercules Capitals, a dividend play. 1796. I'm getting out of it. Like I say, man, I'm just these BDCs and these REITs. I think they're gonna catch hell in the future. So I'm gonna stick to monthly and weekly paying ETFs. So you ain't got to worry about no dividend cuts and all that stuff. Cause once that company have a dividend cut, that price gonna drop. So I'm just limiting stuff. BDCs and REITs got the same rules. They got to pay 90% of their taxable income out in dividends. So that's what it is. TSLY, ULTY, know about them. Gladstone, 26. I'm at 21. Another one I'm up in. 96.89%. PE ratio 6.8 is undervalued. 7.36% dividend yield. You can depend on Gladstone. They're going to push that dividend out for you. MSTY, I want that to come down some more. Take a look at AIYY. Options on artificial intelligence. Seems like it's holding that $4 range well. QQQY down, wanted to come down some more. Got GOOY, XDT, all those fine, but I want them to come down. YMAX good, want them to come down. So I'm just reinvesting them Yield Max weekly dividends into these other plays. Like you got Fiat, we got some of that. TOPT I like, that's $1 a day. Gonna see what's gonna happen with that one. DEA, I know I'm down in this one, $22. I'm at 27. Just gonna go close to that $19, $20 mark again though. So I'm gonna load up at it. Got about a 9% dividend yield. I did add on JEPQ and JEPI. Other ones I do like. Plus you get a little growth with them. 55.69. Just gonna dollar cost average on in. See, I trade the Hercules Capital at that dividend yield. They got around 9%. I can go with something like this for 11.38 and got to worry about all the dividend cuts and all that. And that's why I'm doing it that way and that route. But that's it, man. Signing off. Y'all stay safe. Enjoy your weekend. Stay out this heat. Stay cool. And like I said, it's crazy out here. Y'all stay safe. Signing off. Go get your money. Y'all might want to take advantage of them videos I put up too. When I read those articles, it might be like these 3 stocks is boom, 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 or these are 10 dividend growers. Just something to give you a direction where to go outside of monthly and the cash flow route. Those do give you the growth. Dividend growth with the dividend growth stocks, most of them, they don't pay high double-digit yielders, but you get the price appreciation with the long-term dividend hikes. So if you look at that versus dividends, I mean, sometimes you come out better, but if you on cash flow and living off your money now, the cash flow route is the way to go. Signing off, go get your money.